In this video, we will look into how we can get local date and local time from LocalDateTime object. So let's create a new instance, new class, and the class name is LocalDateTime to date and time. Example. And let's create public static void main. And inside public static void main, we'll create an instance of LocalDateTime. So LocalDateTime is equal to LocalDateTime dot now. Now to get date from LocalDateTime, there is a method which is provided, LocalDateTime dot to LocalDate. Let's print it out. To LocalDate. And the other method is LocalDateTime dot to LocalTime. And we already have seen the example of converting from local date and local time to local date. Time is LocalDateTime is equal to LocalDateTime dot off and provide the local date and time. LocalDate dot now and LocalTime dot now. And let's print this out. Let's run this example. And you can see that it converted from LocalDateTime to local date, and from LocalDateTime we were able to extract out local time, and from local date and local time we were able to construct LocalDateTime.